Hello friends. In this video the work which is carried out is a construction of a firefighting tank by Shotcrete technology. Shotcrete is a mortar or high-performance concrete conveyed through a hose and pneumatically projected at high velocity onto a backing surface. Its force leads to the compaction of the mortar or concrete. In here the reinforcement used is of chicken mesh, steel bars and steel frames. Steel bars of size 8 mm is provided at 15 cm spacing in horizontal and vertical direction. These steel bars are supported by square steel frame section of size 5 by 5. There are two types of Shotcrete application, wet mix and dry mix. Here the method used is of wet mix. Wet mix is method by which a previously prepared mortar is supplied to the nozzle. The wet mix process generally produces less rebound, waste, and dust compared to the dry mix process. The greatest advantage of the wet mix process is all the ingredients are mixed with the water and additives required, and also larger volumes can be placed in less time than the dry process concrete. In this the mortar used is of ratio 1:3, which means 1 bag of cement requires 3 bags of sand. Mostly machine mix is preferred as its performance is highly dependent on application procedure. Apparatus used here is air compressor and a nozzle. The compressor should maintain a supply of clean, dry, oil-free air adequate for maintaining sufficient nozzle velocity. In the case of nozzle, it will have a control valve to control the flow of mortar from it. Shotcrete can be applied at a rate of 5 to 6 cubic meter per hour, and this tank has completed his mortar work in 1 day. Advantages of adopting Shotcrete technology are fast application of mortar, easy to apply on curved surface and so on. Reinforcing bars for Shotcrete of size larger than 16 mm diameter or heavy concentrations of steel are not practical. In general, bar spacings of 150 mm to 300 mm are recommended for Shotcrete reinforcement. No special requirements are necessary for curing of Shotcrete. The selection of Shotcrete for a particular application should be based on knowledge, experience, and a careful study of required and achievable material performance. The success of the Shotcrete for that application is contingent upon proper planning and supervision, plus the skill and continuous attention provided by the Shotcrete applicator. If you like my videos, just subscribe, comment and like. If there's any doubt, you can ask through the comment box too.